In this video, we will have a look at how we can extract the body from the incoming request, for example from a post request. Open request file, and here in create product request, let's send a JSON object. We provide a header, content type application JSON, then we provide a JavaScript object that contains JSON data I want to send. There I want to send a name, MacBook Pro, and a price, let's say 2800. Okay, now start the server with NodeMon and let's see what we receive in controller. Open create product controller, and to confirm that we have received JSON, let's send it back. Add product key and simply pass the request body here. Let's see. Send request, and we receive a JSON string. Okay, we can manually decode it like this. JSON decode true. Again send request. Now we have an array. We have several controllers that are going to use a request body, and I don't want to manually decode JSON in all of them. It would be nice if we already receive decoded request in the controller. How we can achieve this? We can create a middleware that decodes a JSON request and then send it to the router. In core namespace, create a new class JSON request decoder. Add method invoke. Inside we check whether it is a JSON request or not. In case of JSON request, we create a new one with a decoded body. And return the call of the next middleware. Inside the server, place this middleware before the router. Let's extract this array and make the code a bit readable. Then here, in the controller, we can get parsed body. Product equals array, name, request get parsed body, name, and price, request get parsed body, price. Let's try this out. Send a request, and yes, we got a decoded request body. Let's do the same for order creation. Open a request, add a header, and a JSON object. Let's send a product ID, and maybe we have a quantity, something like that. Open the controller for order. Create a variable order and extract data from the request body, product ID and quantity. And here I also want to return order. Let's try. Send a post request to /orders. We see that the order was successfully created and we get back that data. So with that, passing the body does work. Now in the next video, it's time to finally add a database and then do some more useful things on our server.